What if I told you there's a way to create stunning, professional-looking videos without ever touching editing software, or even showing your face? Today, I'm reviewing an incredible AI tool that's changing the game for content creators. This isn't just another AI video generator, it's an intelligent agent that actually writes the prompts for you and produces cinematic quality clips automatically in record time. Whether you're a complete beginner with zero editing experience, or you're simply looking to scale your content creation without burning out, this tool handles everything. Just you, your ideas, and this AI turns them into scroll-stopping videos. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how this works, walk you through creating your first viral-ready video, and share my honest thoughts on whether it lives up to the hype. By the end, you'll know if this tool is the secret weapon your content strategy has been missing. The tool we're exploring is Pixaro AI, and it's not your typical AI generator. Pixaro uses creative agents that actually think, plan, and execute, kind of like having a creative team working for you 24/7. Here's what's incredible. You can generate stunning, professional quality images, videos, ads, and more in bulk just by chatting with it. Simply tell Pixaro what you need, and it takes care of everything, from concept to final output. I've dropped the link in the description, so make sure to grab it and see what these AI agents can do for your content. If you sign up using my link, you'll get free credits to start creating right away. Alright, now let's dive into the real meat and potatoes of Pixaro AI, the bulk video generation feature. This is where things get really exciting, especially if you're someone who needs to pump out a lot of content quickly to determine what goes viral without sacrificing quality. I want to show you just how powerful this feature is, and how it lets you create tons of shorts, reels, or test variations in literally minutes. To demonstrate this, I'm going to ask Pixaro to generate multiple variants of the same concept all at once. So I'm going to paste in this prompt. Generate 3 different versions of a perfume product reveal video with different angles and styles. The name of the perfume is Aria. Now watch what happens. As you can see here in the prompt box, Pixaro gives you a ton of flexibility right from the start. You're not locked into using AI-generated products only. If you have your own product or a custom image you want to feature, you can simply upload it directly into the platform. This is perfect if you're promoting your own brand or working with a client's product. But that's not all. Pixaro also offers dozens of AI models that you can choose from. These are virtual creators that can present your product, talk about it, or demonstrate it, giving your videos authentic, user-generated content without needing to hire actual creators or appear on camera yourself. Now, another powerful feature here is the video style selector. Depending on what kind of content you're creating, you can choose from several styles like user-generated content, ads, product in hand, fashion, skincare, and more. Each style is optimized for different types of marketing and content needs. For this demonstration, I'm going to select UGC and let the AI suggest a product for us automatically. But before I hit that generate button, there's one more crucial step you need to know about, and this is where you really unlock Pixaro's full potential. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. This is your settings hub, and it's where you get to choose which video generation model you want to use. Remember how I mentioned earlier that Pixaro uses premium models? Well, here's where you select them. You've got access to top-tier models like VEO 3.1, Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, and the absolute latest, Kling 2.6 video generation model. Each of these models has its own strengths, so depending on your project, you can experiment and see which one gives you the best results. Next up, you'll want to select your aspect ratio. This depends on where you plan to post your content. For YouTube videos or landscape content, you'd go with 16:9. For Instagram Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts, you'd choose 9:16. For this demonstration, I'm going to stick with 9:16 since we're doing a full walkthrough here. Now that we've got all our settings dialed in exactly how we want them, I'm just going to go ahead and click the Generate button and let Pixaro work its magic. Now, once you hit that Generate button, Pixaro's AI agents kick into action. You'll see them thinking, planning, and executing your content in real time. As you can see, it will generate the prompt clearly highlighting in detail what it wants to achieve. But here's what makes Pixaro different. The AI doesn't just work blindly on its own. As it processes your request, it will pause and ask for your input where necessary. Maybe it needs clarification on a specific angle, color preference, or the overall mood you're going for. For instance, you can go through the prompt and edit it to your taste before hitting the Generate Video button. This ensures that what you get isn't just good, it's exactly what you want. It's a collaborative process. You stay in control while the AI handles all the heavy lifting. Our videos have been generated. Let's preview it. Here's another side of Pixaro AI that you might find interesting. With this tool, you can create videos longer than the traditional 8 to 10 seconds most AI produces. For this example, I want to create a time-lapse construction video. First, I'll upload 2 images to the chat. Then, I'll paste in this simple prompt. Quote, create a 15-second time-lapse video showing the construction of the building, starting from the ground level in the first image up to the completed structure in the second image. As you can see, I've specified the duration of the clip. If I wanted a 60-second video instead, I would simply state that in the prompt. Before I generate, I'll click the settings icon and change the video generation model to VEO 3.1. Now let's generate and create the final video. Here's the output. Looks impressive. All right, let me show you another example so you can really see how versatile Pixaro is across different content types. I'm going to start a fresh chat here to demonstrate this from scratch. First, I'll select one of the AI models from Pixaro's library. These are the virtual creators that will present our content. Next, for the video style, I'm going to choose skincare since that's a hugely popular niche right now, especially for short-form content. Now, here's where it gets beautifully simple. In the prompt box, I'm just going to type something straightforward like product ads for a skincare brand. A young woman applies cream to her face. That's it. No need for complex instructions or detailed breakdowns. Pixaro's AI is smart enough to understand what we need and fill in the creative gaps. Let me hit the generate button and we'll see what happens. And there we go. After just some seconds, our video is ready. Let's preview it real quick. This looks great, right? Clean, professional, and exactly what you'd expect from a polished skincare ad. The lighting, the presentation, the pacing, it all comes together seamlessly. Now, if you're happy with this, simply click the download button to save it directly to your device. It's that easy. But here's where things get even more interesting. Let's say you want to build on this content and create a series or continue the narrative. All you have to do is type something like, continue the story. Watch what happens. Pixaro's AI agent remembers the full storyline, the characters we used, and the visual style we established in the first video. It doesn't start from scratch, it picks up right where we left off and automatically generates the next clips in the sequence, maintaining complete consistency across the board. And just like that, it's done. Let's preview this continuation. Perfect. Everything flows naturally from one video to the next. Same style, same vibe, same quality. Now you can download this one as well, and you've got yourself a mini content series ready to go. Now let me show you another powerful feature that makes content creation even faster. If you click on the Templates menu, you'll see that Pixaro comes loaded with a wide variety of pre-built templates that you can customize to fit your specific use case. We're talking about templates for UGC content, product ads, fashion showcases, mirror videos, and so much more. These templates are designed to give you a head start. You're not building from scratch every single time. Just pick a template that matches your vision, tweak it to suit your brand or message, and you're good to go. The process is incredibly fast, and the results? They come out looking polished and professional every time. Now, if you navigate over to the AI Studio section, this is where things open up even further. Here, you can generate high-quality images using some of the most advanced premium image generation models available. Pixaro gives you access to models like Google Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image 1.5, and several others. Whether you need product mockups, social media graphics, or creative visuals for your campaigns, the AI Studio has you covered. And if you switch over to the Video tab within the AI Studio, you unlock access to those same premium video generation models we talked about earlier. This is where you can create stunning, ultra-realistic videos for your social media content, ads, or any other project you're working on. The quality is top tier and the flexibility is unmatched. You can experiment with different styles, tones, and formats until you land on exactly what resonates with your audience. And here's another major plus. Pixaro works seamlessly on both mobile and desktop devices, so whether you're working from your computer at home or brainstorming ideas on your phone while you're on the go, you have full access to Pixaro's powerful creative capabilities right at your fingertips. I've left a link to Pixaro AI in the description below. And here's the best part. If you sign up using my link, you'll get free credits to start creating right away. So you can test out everything we covered today and see firsthand how powerful this tool really is for your content strategy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tools and content creation tips. I'll see you in the next video.